Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLB 250 4MATIC. This comes in a white exterior with a black interior, sunroof, blind spot assist, Formatic, Mercedes-Benz and GLB 250 badging, power opening and closing trunk, rear seats, memory seats, driver seat controls, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel, mileage on this vehicle is 22,432 with a push button ignition. Mercedes-Benz radio, navigation system, and backup camera. Shifter, climate control, and center console. Now, if you'd like to see any more photos, any more information about this vehicle, or any of our others, just see our website at feldmanimports.com.